What happened to Ty? Oh, there he is.
No, they stopped playing.
I don't think so. One of them's about to get Ty. Yep. Got Ty. Now Ty's going up. Trying. They're not messing his mama. The mama cat's like, help me. Ty.
I know he caused trouble.
The mama cat was tired. Yeah. Oh, so cute.
No idea.
No, I can't too. They're crazy. I can't get up. Oh. I like that one, Mom. The white one with the beige patches on it.
Aww.
Oh, Mama cat's hugging it.
Ty gonna stick his nose, stick his butt in it.
See, we have two patchy gray ones.
Okay, one's more gray than the other one.
Yeah. They're all trying to get tied.
We should name the really ugly one Boots.
Yeah.
It looks like a Boots.
The Chinese one?
Yeah. He's the little Boots.
I'm just trying to climb up. There goes Ty. Oh, they're so cute. Yep. Ty behind his mama. So I'm looking for him. It's so cute.
Bet if you put this on your website, somebody will want them.
I know. No.
Does anybody want all of them?
They
play very well together.
I don't want no one to have them. I want them. I'm trying to get up on the door. Mama cat's about to go to sleep.
What's that song play?
Yeah, that one too. They're very playful.
Ty's trying to figure out his next move.
No, I think he's playing with the bug. It's so cute. Mom, I want one. I just want to go out there and hug it.
Oh yeah, the mama go for that.
The mama will hug you right back.
Mm-hmm.
Aww. You about to go feed them?
I was gonna go put a can, but I don't want to go while they playing.
You gonna wait till they're done?
I really want to go put a can. I ain't going out the door with that mama.
No, them 3 or 4? 3. How many kittens are there?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
There's 2 wrestling. There's one. Then there's.
Yeah, I see the other one. That one's 1. I wonder how many are boys and girls.
I don't know.
Ty looks like a guy. I think.
You never know.
Yeah. Oh, and those other kittens from the back there. Remember that white one with the blue eyes?
Oh, that one was cute.
I've never seen that calico one before.
Me neither.
Except for right before.
Mhm.
What does the mama cat feed them?
They drink milk from her.
Yeah, but like bugs and stuff?
Yes, sir. She
I
has
guess
his
she
bugs. Teach him to hunt like mice and stuff. Birds.
Ty.
I don't think he really knows what he's doing. He just jumps
Yeah.
and runs. And just happens to land on one of the other 3. Oh, that one's upside down.
I was like, oh, I'm coming up here. I want to get all some cat toys and put them out there.
It's like, you know that one game, King of the Hill or something? Like King of the Mountain?
Sure.
It's like that game. They're all just trying to stay on the ramp.
They're all falling. I wonder if the mama cat's going to sleep. What?
Right here, why? No. I don't know what you want.
Did you call Mr. Ronnie yet?
I don't guess.
Oh, they're attacking grass.
I don't know what parts you want, like what's written on the packages.
They're so
Or
cute.
they're looking a bit.